Namaste to all. This is Jayeshwar Singh Jala. Today's talking on Rain on the Roof, a poem by Court Skinny. This poem is in Beehive, NCRT book of English for class 9. First of all, introduction. The poem expresses how rain brings back old gentle memories on the surface of the mind of the poet. So here it's about rain outside and its effect, its reflection on the mind of the poet. The sound of the rain falling on the roof makes the poet remember his childhood days spent with his mother and his siblings. So, what happens here? After listening to the sound of the rain falling on the roof, the poet remembers his childhood days and it fills him with nostalgia. This is important word here. He is filled with, his heart is filled, the poet is filled with nostalgia. So the word spells like this: nostalgia, nostalgia. So that's a feeling where pleasure and sadness are mixed, because it's a wistful yearning means longing for the past happy memories. So when you think about past and those sweet memories, thinking of those sweet memories, you wish to go back in the past, so it gives you mixed feeling of pleasure and sadness. So this is the key word. Please try to remember, if it's for exam purpose, that the poem describes the nostalgic feeling of the poet, rain's effect on the heart of the poet. Only first stanza I will discuss today to make the video short. Now I will read the stanza on your screen. Rain on the Roof, poet quotes Kitty. Now look at the title, the first letters of the words rain and roof. Letter R is given in red, and on the right side in the green strip you can see the word alliteration. So you understood it, I think, as we have discussed the figures of speech earlier. The consonant R has been repeated on stressed syllables, so it is an example of alliteration. Let's start the poem. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So these are the lines of the first stanza. In the blue, I have given the original text. On the right side in green strip, I have given explanations for the word meanings and the figures of speech used in the particular line. So I have given the word meanings or the interpretation in the same font and same color for your better understanding. Now, line wise explanation. When the humid shadows hover, when the humid shadows, look on the right side in green strip, in the same font, white color, dark clouds. So humid shadows means dark clouds. Hover means when they float or hang like a hawk or like a helicopter or like a drone. So they are looming overhead. Not looming, it has negative connotation, but they are floating high over all the starry spheres, all over the sky. Starry spheres given in yellow on the right side of the same words. The word sky has been given. It means starry spheres means sky. And the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Melancholy means causing sadness or pensive or thoughtful mood. That's called melancholy. This is also an important word. So I want you to remember, for my students, remember the words along with nostalgia. Remember melancholy. Now look at these two lines, both are given in the same color because both of them together forms personification. And the melancholy darkness is called melancholy, which is weeping, gently weeps, softly cries in the rainy tears. So the tears, raindrops is compared with the tears of the darkness, and darkness is crying. So this is personification. Something abstract is personified. Next, what a bliss to press the pillow. It is a bliss means blessing. It's a joy. It's an ecstasy. What an ecstasy to press the pillow means to lie comfortably with the pillow pressed against one's chest. The letter P has been repeated. So that is an example of alliteration. See the letters P given in the red color. So same word, same color in the green strip on the right side. The word alliteration has been given. Of a cottage chamber bed. Cottage, small house, chamber, room. Okay, so it's a bed in the small house of the small room of the small house of the poet. and lie listening to the patter. And lie, the poet is lying on his bed and is listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. He is listening to the patter means murmur, the sound of the rain, of soft rain. Okay, overhead means because it is on the roof, so it is called overhead. See the words in the second last line, lie listening. Sound l has been, I mean l sound has been repeated, so it's an example of alliteration. And the word patter given in yellow color, so look on the right side strip, in yellow color the word is onomatopoeia. So the word patter is onomatopic words. Onomatopic words means the words which try to imitate the sounds. For example, buzz, hiss, hum, tinkle, whom, whoosh. Okay, such words are called onomatopic words. So this has been discussed earlier. Now I'll give you the overall explanation of the whole stanza. That is one thing. And second thing, the use of language by the poet. It is a dark, rainy night. The sky is full of shady clouds. The darkness is prevailing everywhere and it is causing melancholy mood, sad mood in the heart of the poet, who is lying on his cozy, comfortable bed, and listening to the rhythm of the rain falling on the shingles of the roof of his cottage room. The rain is falling on the shingles means the tiles on the roof of his cottage room. The humid darkness makes the poet quiet but thoughtful. He enjoys listening to the murmur of the rain. Murmur means the pattering of the rain. On the roof with a pillow pressed against his chest. This action of his pressing the pillow suggests that he is yearning, longing for comfort. Now, some comments on the language in the first stanza. The poet has given a vivid image of the rainy night and the poet's reaction to it. This use of images and personification successfully create a pensive but soothing and dreamy mood in the poem. So, you know what is tone and the mood in the poem? Mood is atmosphere created by the poet, and it has capacity to generate particular feelings in the hearts of the readers also. So by the use of images and the use of personification, as we discussed in the lines third and fourth line given in yellow, it has successfully created a pensive means a sad mood, but it creates dreamy mood in the hearts of the readers. The use of rhyming words including internal rhyming. Now look at the first line, the last word hover, and in the next line the word over. So hover, over, both of them have internal rhyming. So the use of rhyming and internal rhyming, alliteration and onomatopoeia, alliteration given in red and onomatopoeia given in yellow, one word has been used, patter. These all things together bring musicality to the poem, bring melody to the poem, and help the readers to feel the rhythm of the rain on the roof. So it is in accordance with the theme also, because the theme is about the rhythm of nature, the song of the rain. Okay, so this is in that way also it is useful, not just for music purpose or singing purpose. It's not a rain with strong wind. Again, see, I'm discussing about the two words used in the fourth line, means the first word in the fourth line gently, and the last line third word soft. These two words, gently weeps in rainy tears, the word gently, and in the last line soft rain. So these two words are used intentionally by the poet. Why? Because it's not a rain with strong wind. The poem doesn't give the picture of a stormy, frightening night. The words gently and soft indicate the soothing effect, comforting effect of the rain on the mind of the poet. These words also imply the gentle and soft feeling in the hearts of the poet. So thank you for today. We will meet in the next video with the explanation of the second stanza. Thank you very much.